Spread south, spread west.
Di ko makita
10
yung
seconds,
gate.
just spread. They're gonna push. Just spread. Just hold now. Just hold now. Okay, everything at shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast na. Nice one. Okay, come back fast. Get ready, full defend again. Okay, they're walking. Now, come east. That's a fake. Just come west. Zone west. Just spread lang. They have engaged na. Oh, yeah, defend. Inside. Yo, come northeast. Walk northeast now. Everything northeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate. On me. On the count. Very nice. So come back and spread. Come back west. Just zone west. Zone spread. Come east. Come inside. Come back inside. Region. Refresh. Yo, get ready at the gate only. Yo, we're gonna walk in northwest. Get ready. Hold. Yo, come to me, my party. Okay, get ready, party 1. Yo, walk in. I'm gonna fake. Okay, get ready to defend. Yo, full engage at the gate only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Hit the gate. Yo, get ready, full defend here. Okay, hold. Gate is almost gate is break. Come southwest.
Dalawang
Just spread southwest. Okay, come northwest now. Yo, help my bomb north.
Tingnan mo.
Yo, come northeast. I'm gonna fake. Walking. Yo, at the gate only in 5. Wait.
Ay,
4,
sorry.
3. Wait. Come back southeast. Get ready, full defend. That's a fake. Yo, full defend at the back. Nice defend. Now come back south. Walking. Come back south. Just walk northeast. Yo, come back west. Hold west.
Dami.
Yo, come east. Zone east. Yo, everything inside of us, west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Delete this. Okay, just zone now. Zone southeast. If they come, we go back. Just zone, then hold. Help the front now. Yo, we don't have DPS. Come back. Everyone
Dami
out.
na namatay.
Everyone out.
Pwede ka mag-arbok balloon.
Everyone out. Yeah.
Maloney. If you are back and regear, you can still take passage.
Yeah, pwede tayo. We go our back. Spread and our back. Everyone. We go southeast.
May DA ka, Balon yan.
Someone go southwest.
May
Yeah.
ano pa rin.
Alexei, no. Oh,
Nangyari.
hurry up. Wala pa tayong DPS. Hurry up, come.
Ano yan? No.
No, I was trying to hold off breaking the gate and ravine.
Ah, okay.
Now that's broken, it's gonna notify again.
Yo, party 3 and bomb squad go southwest. Party 1 come to me southeast.
Hammer, guys, hammer.
42 Ravine.
We're gonna go our back.
Somebody scout TFD hideout. Hurry up.
Sayang. Kaya sana yun kung may party 2. Fuck, kasi yung TFD. Yawa sila. Wait, may snow forest dito. Upper class. Yeah, upper class is here. Just spread lang
Kulang
guys.
ba tayo,
Spread
ano?
and our back.
Somebody scouting hideout.
Give me scout 42.
Huwag nyo na salubungin yung blob dyan sa north.
May upper class sa ano?
Left tank please.
Oh, may upper class dito sa pat. Huwag nyo na salubungin yan. Just spread on our back.
Take the
Outlook
west side please. Don't snare
I'm gonna take west side.
Level 21
Left
so
side,
far,
left side.
upper class.
Give me the guards.
Come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gusto nyo mag-regear, tas fix fight against MC?
Ba't walang mga
Kaya kung gusto nyo,
walang
sabihin ko.
comms yung healer? PTB lang naman dapat.
Huh?
Outlaw pa rin.
Ikaw magre-rigger
Ano?
Mori. G.
Wala dong comms yung healer. Uy,
Engage siya. Engage yung 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
nakuha nyo yung ano?
Hindi ka makaka-arbok. Baloney.
Yung
Hindi pa
Rabin,
din.
na-take na namin yung Rabin.
Outlook
Yung
pa.
Mido. Shit. Daming nangyari.
Yung Mido, pwede
Okay,
namin
ng
i-fight
Mido.
sana yung Mido kasi wala kaming caller dun eh.
Tara, let's go.
Ano, malaki na yung blob sa medo.
Hindi, ano yan? Guardian
Malaki na nga.
Ay, malaki na? Baka fighting yan.
Baka. Feel ko rin.
Scout
May isa
na lang
pang
Mido.
blob na papunta.
Sa kayo.
Everyone, R-back na lang kayo.
15 diesel
Wait
lang
lang.
daw yan kanina.
We
Eh.
go, ano? Makakuha nyo na?
Nakuha na.
Okay,
nakuha.
Yung Rabin.
Tapos na kayo Mido,
Ah,
Daddy
yung
B.
Rabin.
Let's fight, ano? Mido.
Sige, Mari, dito ka lang, Mari. Ay,
Fighting
ano,
yung
reload
otot.
ka doon?
Let's,
Wait lang, may naka-ox dito. Isa na yung naka-ox.
Uy, bilin mo bloater eh. 1 minute na lang.
Who is in meadow? Who is in meadow?
Importante ka doy.
Who is in meadow? Who is in meadow?
Guardian babies.
Nobody in meadow? Nobody in
Level
meadow?
22
Wala pa, wala.
medo.
Wala. Kinuha ng Guardian Babies.
yun yung nire-report ko kanina.
I'm at Ticho na.
Level 22 nga eh.
Wala.
Meadow.
Yeah, you can go to no. You
Let's
can
fight,
go
let's fight lang.
to meadow. Go to meadow.
Yung come zone in, everyone.
42 seconds. Somebody ano?
Wala na.
Sino na yun? Abangan natin. Di ba may fight? May fight sila?
Wala. Umalis yung isang maliit na blob.
Waiting.
Anong ano yun? Tito Blab?
Guardian.
Hindi. Parang T1 lang.
Bro,
Paalis
let's
niya.
fight, let's fight. Everyone
Yung sa
come.
middle, hindi to
Let's
T1
fight them.
club.
Let's fight.
Hindi, yung umalis. T1.
Yung umalis. Ito yung
Mga-
sa
Malaki to.
Baloney.
Level 22 yung medo ngayon. Guardian
Anong
shit.
balak dito sa middle baloni? Diretso kami dito or what?
Andito na ako. Mido.
Yung party to, punta na kayo kay Baloney. Just leave one guy
Nasa ano na ako,
who
nasa HO na. Putang ina, dinikitan pa ako.
Kaya to. Yo, come
Kunin
to, ano,
na
come to
nila.
middle.
Open na yung ano ah. Open na. Lalabas
Open
na to. Lalabas na to.
Wait
Wala
lang.
na, wala.
Passage
Andito pa sila sa
is
loob.
open.
Nasa loob pa sila, balon. Looting pa to.
Party to, asan na party to? Kailangan natin
Incline
party to dito.
Incline pa, incline.
Siya sa verge na.
We need
Okay.
to hold. Come back. Come back northeast, come back northeast.
Babalik na tayo.
You can fight them.
Wala pa ang party to. I need party to.
Hindi,
Yan na.
punta
I mean,
na
just-
nga kami. Verge na.
Coming na,
Verge
coming na.
Start na.
Okay, come. Just hold lang sa bridge. Second bridge.
Nanggaling yun sa ano eh.
We still hold.
Sa northwest yung galing kanina.
Plato yan nga galing.
Oo.
So possible dito sila lalabas.
Alis sila.
Na, yung iba,
Alis yung
lumalabas na
Guardian
isa.
babies. Palabas na sila.
Okay, you can ano them. Hold them.
Hindi,
Gusto mo?
22 to. Mamamatay ako.
Mamamatay ako dito kapag hinold ko to.
Tara, dalawa
Finish
tayo.
mo, finish mo to.
Ano, gusto mo, tara.
Nasa uli.
Lumabas sila
Labas na
dito.
sila.
Kabila.
Ito, huli natin to, huli.
Yo, come. Go, hulin nyo yan. Tayo
Zoning na yung
namatay.
PT to ha, zoning na yung PT to.
Oh, tangin na, wala
Mahuli
akong
ko to.
mahuli.
Mahuli ko.
Huli.
Pero,
Asan?
may defense pa
tangina.
damit. And mabalik
Asan
siya.
yung nahuli?
May mga natrap pa sa loob. May mga
May mga
nakatrap
natrap
pa
sa
sa loob.
loob. Yo, party
May
to
mga
buong
natrap pa, may natrap pa.
southeast. Party to
May mga
buong
natrap pa.
southeast.
Isang
Party to
scout
buong
sa blab.
southeast.
Southeast yung iba.
Southeast PT2.
Oh,
Yung
ito.
yung RB, hindi ka nag-follow, pre.
Yo,
Labas
comms,
mo,
please,
labas
comms. What is that? Bomb? My bomb?
Map check.
We're at mid. We're in middle.
Medo.
Middle. Okay.
Makas.
Makaka-arba ata sila.
Minadrop yung loot sa verge.
Andiyan sa gitna ah.
Ay, andito sila sa, ano.
Dito
Wait,
pa.
asan na
Dito
yun?
pa.
GA lang.
Yo, hold them. Ito tatang G, oh.
Gagi, mamamatay pa ako.
Yo, full engage nga muna sa, full engage nga sa,
Leche.
dito guards.
Ba't namatay ka?
Hindi, guards. Hinabol ko yung ano eh.
Mga cheater lang
Tingnan nga
pala.
muna ng guards, patay ng mga guards.
Baka meron diyang fallen.
Yo, catch the garden. Daft Tank, get ready to, ano, hold them south. If duman dito sa south, yung party 1 lang.
Ito, meron tao sa baba oh. Sa may pader.
Mapupugutan tong isa. Uy, hell.
Nasaan?
Robus.
Hindi, Battlemonte. Di sa Battlemonte Baloney.
Wag na kayo, wag niyo na ako bulin. Okay lang yan. Kahit papugutan.
Baloney, di sa Battlemonte side.
Sige. Yo, can someone revive Robas?
Check ko lang may
Yo,
blab.
look
Dito yung isang red. Doon dito yung isang red.
Okay, okay, they're trap, they're trap. Everyone, just hold them, Hold them, ano also, yung maliit na...
Another blob, another
gate.
blob northwest, another blob northwest.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
It's them,
Sila
it's them,
yata yan.
it's them, it's them, it's them.
Lumalabas ata.
It's
This
them.
sila.
It's them, Baron, it's them.
Bumalik sila. Ang dami.
Full engage on the mobs, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full engage here.
May scout ka ba, Nurtis?
Andito na sila,
Southeast,
baloni on ping. Baloni on ping na sila, on
Okay,
ping.
come shot na, come shot na.
On ping na.
No, go middle. Come middle. Play bro in middle
Kunin na
side.
yung ano. Nakuha na ba yung ano?
Nakuha ng loot dyan ah.
Andito lang sila. Mounted pa, baloni, mounted pa.
Okay, yeah, may isa dito. Ito, kunin nyo to.
Balik sila, paalis sila.
Keep bonking lang dyan. Keep bonking. Silver, pie, keep bonking there.
Umalis sila, baloni, umalis sila.
Okay. Keep bonking.
Yan.
Huliin nyo yung tumatakas sa southeast. Huliin nyo yung sa south. Ito. Yung battlements, focus yung battlements. Hold the battlements. You full engage here. Get ready. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the battlements now. Drop everything at the battlements.
Monkey, stay there. Watch them.
Kill the battlements. Kill the BM. Kill the BM. Kamusta yung loot sa King Dutch?
Okay na,
Nakuha
nakuha
niya
niya, no?
Nakuha na.
Yung full engage ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full engage. Wala nang tatakbuhan niya.
Nalot ko na rin yung sa Verge. Din-drop na namin sa Gangpang Soda.
Okay, nice. 2M, okay. May laman yung chest dyan. Let's take the castle. Wala nang laman. Okay, come back northeast. Let's go.
ina-attack na ngayon.
Everyone come northeast. Just mount up and northeast.
Wala nang laman to.
Okay. Okay na, ulit. Proper fight na sana yung dun. Wishing Star. Wishing Star.
Yung silver bugs balon niya. 2.67 mil.
Okay lang. Wala namang castle yung TFT.
Ay, tapos na kayo balon eh.
Real.
Na,
Sila yung nawala ng castle.
Kakabalik ko lang.
nagkarambulan sila sa Bonjin. At Jugi.
Habol yung mga gago.
Yung kahabol nila, sila yung nawalan.
Gusto nila yung Maha eh. Sabi nila, daw. Target lock.
Wherever you go, I'll be right.
Mukhang magkaka-fight mamaya ah. Nag-bank yung Minerva sa incline eh.
Martis. Baka defend.
Level 15 sila. Wala naman silang kinuwang castle.
Ano to? Split? Or Rigger?
Baka next spawn.
Regirable
I
yata to.
think
Madami ba namatay?
Medyo ata do sa first fight.
Oo.
Wala eh.
Pwede mo pa rin
Hindi,
hero
wala
daw.
ni-
King's Gold
wala ni-
castles naman.
Baloni, papi.
Oh.
Whenever, okay, we already, you already commanded the Arbak, right? So, we already did the Arbak maneuver. You have to take account na yung galing HO natin papuntang cliffs, that would be around 10 minutes. So, like, since you're starting the fight on like 14:50,
Pakita, umihil lang.
di talaga aabot yung party to sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, we could have taken both castles. Pero yun nga, walang fight. Pero you fought Western Paradise. You would have won if the party was there. But we decided, na... I mean, if you had second party, you'll win. 100%. With,
Yeah. 100% yun.
100% you'll win. But apparently, we had to make changes because TFD was like chasing you hard.
Yeah.
But one castle got ratted. We nearly had two.
Yeah.
I didn't know because may pumasok na trabaho kanina, so yeah. Sorry. I could have told, after the Lord was dead, I could have told the second party to just come back and I can call if I did not have work.
Ayun lang.
I could have just asked like my party, like Halidax, to hold the castle in Ravine, and then we can ask the party to again our back, so we can start fighting Meadow, and while you try to spread out. That would have been the best, if yun nga. Because I had work. I'm working right now. So
Next
GG.
one. GG. Yo, drop everything.
Madami bang namatay?
Split
Baloney?
natin. Ano ba
Buong
kadami?
party mo ba namatay? Hindi naman. Pero alam ko pag
Hindi
Gold
naman,
Castle,
mga ano lang ata, 6, 7. Tapos mga
ito,
dito siguro yan.
So,
pwede
Regear
mong...
or split?
Kailan ba yung loot lahat?
Lagay nyo na lang sa ano, check natin. Tab 7 daw,
Top
tab
7,
7.
sa top 7 yung castle namin.
Check muna natin. If madami yung loot,
Yung
we
outpost
split
doy.
loot.
Baloney, sa'yo ko bibigay silver.
Sige,
DB kasi nag-arbak eh.
trade. Okay, everyone. Wala akong bad kasi.
Pinigilan mo sana, boss Pops.
Ayaw papigil ni Daddy B. Nakita ako eh.
Mga cheater, mga T7 lang sana din. Naka-horse lang sila eh. The fuck.
Nirat lang talaga.
Ayaw din nila ng fight.
Wala na pa tayong nap, no? Wala nang Rise Alliance.
Arbak ka daw, Daddy B.
All, all red is dead na pala to.
Let's vote na lang. Ilang ba? Ilan ba yung loot? Feeling ko mga 30M siguro to eh. Ayun, 29M.
With the silver, it should be about
30.
30 plus.
Nanda. Split loot na ilang 500k. God damn. 500k each. Trigger na lang siguro.
So 36M. Soon as you pop
Oh,
7 mil.
excuse.
Trigger ko na lang. Yung Dutch.
It's your content.
Trigger.
Okay.
Piting.
Bandrush. Kasama yung post ano?
Hindi pa up mo yung mga namatay ko. Para mabilang ko yung... May killboard na ba?
Yan lang.
My bomb squad did not die.
May namatay ata isa sa BS. Na demon.
What the fuck? You're
Arbakos.
talking about your
Pero sa healboard nyo, 5 lang yung namatay eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 lang, sakto. So, 5.
Yan, regear mo na lang yung 5 na yan.
Isang DPS. 2 healer, 2 death tank.
Just give them 1M each and then loot split the rest.
Oh, sige, ganun na lang. Sige.
Lugi tayo dun.
1M each.
Hey,
Kasi-
just the gear. That's the
Break
gear.
lang
1M each and included pa sila sa loot split. So, may 500k pa rin sila.
Yeah, pwede na yun.
Wala na yan.
Deal na, good deal.
Kung sino makapag, wala akong firm sa tab 7.
Pwede
Ito,
ako.
Kasamuhan,
Kaya na ba bibigay? Sa'yo ba?
Kung sino sanang mag-regard sa nila. Kahit yung libro na lang siguro. Bigay. Mga
Tab
treasure, ganun.
Bigyan na lang kita access, ikaw na bahala mag-ano. No,
Sige.
Patry mo.
Okay, Gcash.
Yung si break daw. Regear.
Oh, si Break.
Huwag
Wala
na.
na. Ini-split loot nyo na eh. Paparigger pa kayo na ano, si Break.
Year pa kayo.
Saan pumunta yung TFD? Wala sila sa killboard.
Wala, nag-road
Feel ko
trip.
hinabol ng 1 gen yun.
Nag-road trip lang rin sila.
Hinahabol kami.
Yan si Mugi.
Habol kami.
Nangyari sa'yo.
Ilan kayo sa laban ng
Habol kami ng aso.
Ilan kayo sa laban ng Western?
One party lang yata sila, tsaka bomb squad.
Bakit one party?
No, one party, tsaka yung party 3, 11, plus bomb squad.
Nag-arbak yung PT2.
Party 2 sa, if may party 2 doon, ano yun, panalo yun, sure win.
Na-call kasi na mag-arbok.
Kasi
Wala namang call si Baloni nun eh. May call ka ba nun, Baloni?
Pag gold castle,
Kasi si King Dutch ko din yan, no? Pinaano ko din si King Dutch. I'm just a boy.
Huwag kayo nagsisplit sir. Pag gold.
Wala kayong bod balon.
Di na, ano na kasi yun, ano, Mogi. Hinahabol talaga kami ng, ano, ayaw kami tigilan ng TFD. Oh, tangina, umabot na kami sa, ano, saan pang, tawag doon? Oh,
Sa Robin.
Puta.
Mabot na sila ng approach Robin.
Sabi ko sa'yo, bowling ka nga yan eh. Sabi ko, Sunflank Cliffs kayo tumambay.
Oh.
Kasi bowling pabalik ng 1 gen yan eh.
Lalabas na sa, ay paglabas ko, may 3 TFD, sabi nila, oh, we will, wherever you go, we will come down. Oh, ayan na.
Sabi mo, come
Takbo
lang.
lang ako na takbo eh. Ay, yung nga namatay, trade.